So as we approach Capistrano and Ocean Boulevard, I love the geology in this wall. This is Shell Beach, and you can't really access this beach unless you're flying a drone. We're at the corner of Ocean Boulevard and Capistrano Avenue in Shell Beach, and we're going to fly up to 345 Capistrano. This house is for sale, and it's a gorgeous example of what people do in Shell Beach. They turn their small original bungalows into big, beautiful homes. This is the home over here on the right with the white car in the front and the deck upstairs. We have a great socializing area out in front with nice solid decking. There's another little social area to the right of this, and then look upstairs at this incredible upstairs patio. Let's go inside and take a look. So as we approach, we're at 345 Capistrano today. Beautiful day here in Shell Beach. This is a 2,300 square foot home. Obviously, the biggest selling point is the location right here in Shell Beach. So we're at the cliffs right down the street. So we'll get started. We've got this nice mature lemon tree out in front. Because it's a short road here in Shell Beach, we just had a car go by. It's about as fast as anyone's going to be going. It's going to be slow traffic. It's not going to be loud out here at all. So this house is really kind of an entertainer's dream. There's so many places to hang out and enjoy socializing at this house. So getting started in the front, it's kind of a Shell Beach thing that people just love having these outdoor seating areas. So you come in after work, you get your soda or your cocktail, whatever you're into, and sit out here, and you can just socialize with people as they walk by, people walking the dog. Everyone's just so friendly and just so chill here. It's just a real chill, mellow atmosphere. I really love it. And then we have another sitting area over here in the corner. So we're gonna go in through the front door, but there is another entrance on the side, so that ultimately, could be like a separate accessory dwelling unit or a rental, or even if you just have like family that you wanted to have them have their own separate entrance. So that's it for the outside. We're gonna pause this video, then I'm gonna pick up and I'm gonna walk through and do a narrative through the house. So as we walk in, you can see the outside of the house. It's not necessarily like a rough traditional stucco. It's kind of like a smooth stucco, but we do have, it's closer to concrete than wood. We also have a concrete roof, so that really helps. You can see this deck is protected with good like textured paint. So here in Shell Beach, moisture, of course, is an issue because we're so close to the beach. So let's take a look at this beautiful home. Now this chandelier is actually not going to be selling with the house. It's the one item that is specifically excluded. So we'll have a different light when we end up buying this house. So walking in to the living area, there's a step down into this living area. We're gonna go down here into the bedrooms. So we have all of the additional bedrooms are downstairs. Now this one is being used more of like an office, and this is a good sized bedroom. It's really nice and quiet in here, and we have nice new vinyl windows. This pass-through little bathroom is awesome. It is a small little bathroom in the shower. That's right on the other side. And we have wood floors in the main area. This looks like vinyl plank in the hall and in the bedroom here. This is bedroom number 2. This is a smaller bedroom. Then we have a hall. So here's our bigger bathroom downstairs with the tub. Again, nice Milgard, newer windows, dual pane windows. We have automatic light that turns on in the laundry room. Nice, tastefully done little laundry room. So here's the bedroom down here that has the separate entrance. So this room enters by this little sitting area in the front. And then we go into this backyard, and there's a shed in the backyard, decomposed granite, so no mowing, nothing to take care of. And then all the plants are contained. So as an out of town or an absentee owner, you can walk away, lock this house, and then not worry about everything getting overgrown and taking over the yard while you're away. Now we're back into the hall. Bedroom number 2 down here. I'm trying to keep myself out. There's a mirrored closet door, and you guys don't need to see me. So we have vinyl plank flooring here, and then wood flooring in the main part of the house. Now we're going in. Here's our pass-through bathroom. It's a cute little bathroom that connects these bedrooms down here. There's our shower. And then this bedroom, which is currently set up as an office area. So really nice. Now let's take a look at the kitchen, which is just well, here's our living room. It's a nice spacious living room. Very well lit and nice bright paint in here. There's our entrance from the garage, and that actually has been moved. This used to be, I don't know if you just saw that light turn on, but this is the pantry with the big barn door. This used to be the entrance from the garage into the house, and now it's a nice big pantry. And the kitchen is really nice with this center area for working. It's good set up for socializing as well. We have nice new modern appliances, stainless steel with you can see through the door. Professional stove for the cooks. Real nice overhead fans. All the lighting is new. So this is in this beautiful copper sink. So you can see that even though this house was built quite some time ago, it doesn't show that much is original. Maybe these floors are original. But yes, lots and lots of upgrades throughout this house. Now let's go take a look at the backyard. This is a double lot in Shell Beach. Now originally someone came in and bought this chunk of land and then split it up into, I believe, about 300 small lots. And then they built beach bungalows on all these lots. And then as time went by, people started buying up those bungalows and either building, expanding them or knocking them over and building these big houses. And so this is a double lot again, so there's a lot more space than what the neighbors are going to have. A really nice, cute work area out here. So your green thumb people can enjoy that. There's some pelicans flying by. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to go upstairs and show you the main beautiful part of this home. Okay, so moving upstairs, this is the main or primary bedroom, and it's really set up like an apartment up here. It is really big and beautiful. All these windows are new. This used to be a patio and they converted it over. So look at the views. See the windows they put in? The glass corners, I really like that so it doesn't obstruct the views. So this is a really nice inside seating area, but look at this outside area. This is where you're going to spend a lot of time. It's a nice wave coming up. You can see that the neighbors, they all have similar decks. So same thing, you get people sit outside out in front and enjoy outdoor living or come upstairs. So this view won't go away. No one's going to be able to build up and block this view. And this is a really nice big area. There you can see that roof with the concrete tiles. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. It's all connected here. Just absolutely gorgeous. Views everywhere you look. And look at the size of this bedroom. Now we do have 2 walk-in closets in here, and that's the one thing that I can't put on my video. So, just to give you an idea of the size of this room, I mean, it is really big. That is the big walk-in closet number 1, right by the fireplace. Nice little gas fireplace. And just look at the size of this. Now connected to this bedroom, we have another bathroom. So this is the private tub. We have a jetted tub in this bathroom. Look at this. I love all the glass touches. Look at all the windows. It's so light and bright. We have a nice clear skylights. So it's so bright in here. Like, I don't even think the lights are on. It's really, really nice. Now, I can't show you inside the closet. There's closet number 2, but we're gonna stay out of there per request. Then we have just a little toilet room in here. We have a really nice shower, lots of shower heads. And just to step in, there's seating in the shower if you need it. Very, very nice. And then the last thing to show is the second deck off of the master bedroom. I've never seen a master bedroom that has 2 decks. But here we are on our smaller deck that looks out on the bigger deck. And that is our beautiful Shell Beach house.